Hello and welcome. I'm Akanksha Swaroop and you're watching a special broadcast, Agenda Maharashtra, a weekly roundup of the latest news from the state of Maharashtra. This program focuses on the top headlines, key decisions and major milestones of the Devendra Fadnavis-led government. Developments that not only shape the state's future but also influence the course of our vibrant Bharat. From economy to culture, religion to infrastructure, Maharashtra is steadily moving towards the vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. A 100-bed hospital will be set up at Tambati in Kalapur Taluka of Raigad district. The hospital will be set up through the Tata Memorial Centre Integrated Ayurvedic Cancer Clinic and Research Centre. A concession has been given in stamp duty on the lease agreement of 10 hectares of land given for this hospital. This decision was approved in the cabinet meeting. Out of 100 beds, 12% of the beds should be reserved for patients from the poor, below poverty line families, even government employees and other vulnerable groups. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis inaugurated and dedicated various projects of the Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority. The Chief Minister said that work on the Bandra-Versova link, Versova-Dahisar and Dahisar-Bhayandar link is progressing at a rapid pace to reduce the load on the Western Express Highway. He also informed that 3 new metro lines will be launched in phases in September and November. He said that work is underway to build at least 50 kilometers of metro lines per year. In a landmark moment redefining Mumbai's urban landscape, Maharashtra Housing and Area Development Authority has successfully handed over the first phase of newly redeveloped homes under the BDD Chor redevelopment project in Worli. The handover took place in the presence of the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, along with Eknath Shinde, Deputy CM, and Housing Minister of Maharashtra, and Ajit Pawar, Deputy CM, and other dignitaries and senior officials as well. If Mumbai is to be made slum-free and redevelopment is to be done quickly, we do not want projects that run for decades, CM Devendra Fadnavis has stated. He also added that after starting the project, plots should be prepared within a year and a half and a rehabilitation building should be constructed within the next 1 year. A medical hub is being set up at Chincholi Shivara on Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar Road in Jalgaon. Deputy CM Ajit Pawar inspected the medical hub being set up on an area of 66.27 acres. This medical hub will house all the components of healthcare, including a state-of-the-art medical college, super speciality hospital, research centre and more in just one place. Deputy CM Ajit Pawar said that the aim of this project is to provide quality healthcare to the citizens of rural and urban areas. He also expressed confidence that this project will be a game changer for the health sector. The travel time between the two cities of Nagpur, the state's deputy capital, and Pune, the state's cultural capital, has now come down to just 12 hours. These two important cities of the state are now connected at a faster pace. The Vande Bharat Express has started between these two cities, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off the Vande Bharat Express from Nagpur to Pune through video conferencing. Earlier, superfast Vande Bharat Express trains were running on 11 routes in the state. Now, one more train has been added to it. Therefore, now a dozen, that is 12 Vande Bharat trains are running in the state of Maharashtra.
सबसे महत्वपूर्ण इस ट्रेन की बात यह है कि आज तक भारत में जितनी वंदे भारत ट्रेन शुरू हुई उसमें सबसे लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस ट्रेन ये नागपुर पुणे की है। 881 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस 12 घंटे में ये ट्रेन पूरा कर रही है। इस ट्रेन को शुरू करने के लिए प्रधानमंत्री जी को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं।
Maharashtra state government has given the status of a state festival to Ganeshotsav and it will be celebrated as a state festival from this year onwards. Meanwhile, the emblem of Ganeshotsav was unveiled by Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. 2 themes, Operation Sindoor, implemented by the Indian Army, and Swadeshi's awakening for building a self-reliant India, are also being linked to the state festival on this occasion. That's all for this week in Agenda Maharashtra. We will continue to bring you important news related to the culture and development of the state of Maharashtra. Don't forget to watch Agenda Maharashtra next week.